let's go get gas in the Ford F100. We got the truck all out ready to go, and she looks pretty good. I mean, every time I just get in here, the interior is just so amazing. It just the style is great. I don't know why modern cars now have so much plastic everywhere. If they just kept it like this, all metal, couple buttons here and there, it'd be amazing. All right, so we got to the gas station and we got to make sure that we get non-ethanol, because otherwise this thing probably won't run if you don't get non-ethanol. And we made it back to the house, and it looks great. And we have a full tank of gas.